objectives. At the end of this exercise, you shall be able to prepare dovetail joint, T-joint, straight joint. Requirements: bench vise, beveled edge firmer chisel, metal jack plane, mallet, fold rule, tri-square, bevel square, marking gauge, rasp file. Practice on preparing T-joint, straight joint and dovetail joint on wooden blocks. T-joint. Measure the sizes of given jobs for mortise and tenon joint. Place the job on the bench vise, planning the face side with jack plane. Check its flatness with tri-square. Place the face edge up and hold it in the vise, planning the face edge side with jack plane. Check its squareness and flatness of the job. Mark the length of pin portion on the face side and continues on the face edge. Marking on 3 sides of face edge up to the shoulder line using mortise gauge. Place the job on the bench vise, cutting tenon with tenon saw along the marked lines, sawing on the first marking line along the grain of wood, that is, from top edge to the shoulder line. Continue the sawing operation on second marking line with tenon saw and remove both end pieces. Changing the position of workpiece in the vise, cutting the marking lines on the face side of tenon piece. Repeat the same procedure on opposite side. Mark the dimensions to make mortise on the second piece with mortise gauge. Place the job on the bench vise. Continue the chiseling operation in mortise piece and cut into small wooden shapes. Changing the position of workpiece in the vise, repeat the same procedure on opposite side in mortise piece for getting perfect mortise. Chiseling the inside edge of mortise piece with firmer chisel for fitting the tenon perfectly. Mallet is used to assemble the 2 pieces by fitting the tenon into the mortise. Straight joint. Hold the saw perpendicular to the wood to have square cut. Hold the wooden piece in the vise in the vertical position. Cut the end line of 10 mm down to the shoulder line 50 mm using tenon saw. Make the cut on the waist side of the line. Chisel out the excess material and smoothen it with firmer chisel. Hold the saw perpendicular to the wood to have square cut. Hold the wooden piece in the vise in the vertical position. Chisel off the waist portions. Smooth the trench surface side walls with firmer chisel. Assemble the pin and socket pieces together. Dovetail joint. Sawing the unwanted portion of marking lines in pin piece and remove that portion. Sawing on the marking lines of face side of the dovetail pin piece using hand saw. Again sawing on the edge of dovetail pin piece and remove that unwanted portion. Saw on the slope marking lines of the dovetail pin piece. Cut and remove the excess portion of pin piece with hand saw. Trimming the dovetail by chisel to exact size. Chiseling on both ends of dovetail pin piece. Filing on corner sides and edges of the pin piece with rasp file. Saw on the marking lines of face side of the dovetail groove piece using hand saw. Repeat the sawing operation at equal distance within the groove portion. Cutting at the middle of groove portion with flat chisel. Chiseling the dovetail groove portion with bevel-edged firmer chisel. Repeat the same procedure of chiseling on opposite side of the face edge. Assemble the two pieces using mallet.